Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Tesla Model S headlight. Properly functioning headlights are crucial for safe driving, especially at night or in low visibility conditions. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you have the knowledge to complete the replacement effectively. We will cover everything from initial preparation to final testing, helping you maintain your vehicle's optimal performance and safety. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Next, you will need to remove the front trunk storage unit and its surrounding trim panels. This often involves removing several push-in pins and 10mm bolts. Finally, carefully detach the front bumper by removing various Torx 25 and 10mm bolts, along with several clips, to fully expose the headlight assembly. With the headlight assembly exposed, disconnect its electrical connector by releasing the locking tab and pulling it away. Then, remove the 4 to 6 10mm bolts that secure the headlight to the vehicle's body. Gently pull the old assembly out. Now, carefully position your new headlight assembly, aligning it correctly. Secure it by reinstalling all the 10mm retaining bolts, ensuring they are snug. Finally, reconnect the electrical harness. To complete the process, reinstall the front bumper, ensuring all clips and bolts are securely fastened. Then, reattach the front trunk storage unit and all the trim panels you removed earlier. Before driving, turn on your vehicle and thoroughly test the new headlight to confirm it functions correctly. If needed, adjust the headlight alignment for an optimal beam pattern, ensuring clear visibility and safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.